Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Gmail account from other devices. You can follow this guide on both a phone or a computer. So first of all, just open up the Gmail application here. Now in Gmail, all you need to do is go to the top right and go and click on your profile and click on this manage your Google account. Because of course your Gmail account is your Google account. Now what you need to do is scroll along this carousel of options and click on this security. If you are on a computer, you need to click on security on the left hand side. Now what you need to do is scroll down this security page until you see this section your devices. Now what you need to do is click on this manage all devices. It will take a moment to load and now you can see all of the different devices which are on your Gmail account. As you can see, I have got computers, I have different phones, iPhones and Android phones. For example, here let's say I want to go ahead and sign out from this device. From my Gmail account, I can go ahead and click on it, and then all you need to do is go and click on this sign out and then just confirm your decision, and just like that the device will be removed and the device will need to be signed back into your Gmail account and Google account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.